guys, and welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. Today I have to run a lot of errands. I'm going to be out and about all over town today, so I figure what better time than now to conduct the iPhone 13 Pro Max camera test. Now right now I'm using the cinematic mode with about 4.5 frames per second. So we're going to be touching base on not only the cinematic mode but the regular video quality as far as getting 2K or 4K video. And we're going to mess around with the settings. I'm also going to take a lot of photos so you guys can see how well the camera performs. We're going to test all that stuff. So if you're new to the channel and you're going to appreciate this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. I haven't brought any of my camera equipment today because I want this camera test to be as true and accurate as possible. I didn't want to bring my tripod to stabilize the camera because I want to see how well the stabilization in the camera already is. I didn't bring any extra microphones to change the audio to make it a little bit clearer. I want to see how well the audio performs on the actual phone. So if it sounds and looks a little bit different than my normal videos, that is why. So we're going to test this thing best as possible. So tag along. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for making it this far. Hopefully this provided some insight on what it will be like when you guys purchase that iPhone 13 Pro Max, and you can really play with those camera settings as far as the regular video, the 4K, the 60 frames per second, the regular HD video, 30 frames per second, 24, I think I said cinematic mode already, the landscaping, portrait view, slow-mo, all those features that the iPhone 13 Pro Max has, and some of the other phones have as well. But thank you guys for making it this far. If you're here, you might as well hit that like button, and if you're new and you're here, you might as well hit that subscribe button. It's definitely helpful, and I appreciate it. I really enjoy making this video. This is pretty cool to mess with all the settings, kind of get some good shots on some stuff I would probably normally not take video and picture of, but it was pretty cool. So as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Let's get it.